Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook funnel cake. First, gather your dry ingredients: 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Combine these thoroughly in a large bowl. Next, in a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of milk, 2 large eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well blended. Now, slowly incorporate the wet mixture into your dry ingredients, stirring just enough to combine everything. Avoid overmixing the batter for the best texture. Continue to mix your batter gently until it is smooth, ensuring no large flour lumps remain. The ideal consistency should resemble a thick pancake batter, allowing it to easily flow from a funnel without being too thin or watery. To test, lift some batter with your spoon. It should pour in a steady stream. If it seems too thick, you can add milk, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches the desired flow. Conversely, if it is too thin, carefully add a small amount of flour. For frying, select a neutral-flavored oil with a high smoke point, such as vegetable, canola, or peanut oil. Pour approximately 3 inches of oil into a heavy-bottomed pot or a Dutch oven, making sure it is no more than half full to prevent spills. Slowly heat the oil over medium-high heat. It is crucial to use a deep-fry thermometer to monitor the temperature and ensure it reaches precisely 375 degrees Fahrenheit before you begin frying. Maintaining this temperature is key for a perfectly cooked funnel cake. Once your oil reaches the correct temperature, carefully pour about 1/2 cup of batter into a funnel, keeping your finger over the opening. Hold the funnel a few inches above the hot oil, then release your finger. Move the funnel in a circular, overlapping motion, creating a continuous, web-like design. Fry the funnel cake for approximately 60 to 90 seconds on the first side until it is golden brown. Carefully flip it with tongs and fry for another 60 to 90 seconds until both sides are evenly cooked and golden.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.